Are you looking for a safe, natural way to protect your skin from the sun's harsh rays? In this video, we'll explore the best natural and herbal sunscreen options that are gentle on your skin and the environment. Let's dive into the world of non-toxic sunscreen and plant-based sun protection. Let's start with natural sunscreen. Unlike conventional products that contain synthetic chemicals, natural sunscreens often use zinc oxide or titanium dioxide, two mineral-based ingredients that sit on your skin's surface and physically block UV rays. These mineral sunscreens are a great option for sensitive skin and are also reef-safe, meaning they won't harm coral reefs when you take a dip in the ocean. Next up are herbal sunscreens. These formulas include natural plant extracts like aloe vera, soothes and hydrates the skin. Green tea that offers antioxidant protection. Raspberry seed oil, which is naturally high in SPF. Carrot seed oil, another plant oil with sun-shielding properties. These plant-based sunscreens are not only effective, but they also nourish your skin. Want to make your own sunscreen? Here's a quick idea for a DIY natural sunscreen at home. Mix together a 1/4 cup coconut oil, 1/4 cup shea butter, 2 tablespoons zinc oxide powder and a few drops of lavender or eucalyptus essential oil. Store it in a jar and apply generously before sun exposure. Remember, always test homemade sunscreen carefully and reapply often. When shopping, look for keywords like organic sunscreen, non-toxic sunscreen, or plant-based sunscreen. These often contain fewer irritants and harmful chemicals, perfect for daily use on you and your family. Here are some tips to get you protected from the harmful rays of the sun. Wear a wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses. Stay in the shade during peak sun hours. Reapply sunscreen every 2 hours or after swimming. Protecting your skin doesn't have to mean harsh chemicals. With these natural and herbal sunscreen options, you can enjoy the sun the healthy way. Like, share and subscribe for more natural health tips. This video is for educational purposes only and not intended as medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before using new skincare products or treatments. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com.